Imagine a coastline stretching over 3,000 kilometers, lined with stunning beaches, vibrant towns, and rich cultural landmarks. Welcome to Vietnam, a country that boasts some of the world's most captivating seaside landscapes. The beauty of Vietnam's coastline is as varied as it is breathtaking. From the northern province of Quang Ninh, home to the majestic Ha Long Bay, to the southernmost tip of Ca Mau, the country's beaches offer a fascinating mix of tranquility, adventure, and cultural discovery. Each beach tells a unique story. In the north, the beaches are often nestled among towering limestone cliffs, their shores washed by emerald waters. In the central regions, golden sands stretch along bustling coastal cities where the rhythm of modern life blends seamlessly with centuries-old traditions. Further south, the beaches become serene escapes, where the hustle and bustle give way to the soothing sound of waves gently lapping against the shore. But Vietnam's coastal allure extends beyond its beaches. The coastal towns with their vibrant markets, exquisite cuisine, and warm-hearted locals offer a glimpse into the soul of Vietnam. These towns are gateways to a rich cultural heritage that has been shaped over millennia, with influences from across Asia and Europe leaving indelible marks on the country's architecture, traditions, and ways of life. From untouched white sands to bustling coastal cities, Vietnam's beaches are a testament to the country's natural beauty and charm. So join us as we embark on this journey, exploring the gems of Vietnam's stunning coastline. When it comes to travel recommendations, Lonely Planet knows best. And guess what? Some of Vietnam's beaches have made it onto their list of must-visit destinations. Let's dive in. First up is the iconic Ha Long Bay. Known for its emerald waters and towering limestone karsts, it's no wonder this natural wonder has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's not just a beach, it's a journey into a mesmerizing geological wonderland. Next, we have the vibrant city of Nha Trang. This coastal gem is a cocktail of golden beaches, sapphire waters, and a nightlife that pulsates with energy. It's a beachgoer's paradise and an adventure seeker's dream, with a diverse marine life that's just waiting to be explored. Then there's the tropical haven of Phu Quoc Island. Framed by palm-fringed beaches and turquoise lagoons, this island offers a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle. It's a slice of paradise where you can unwind, soak up the sun, and lose yourself in the rhythm of the lapping waves. Our journey continues to Moi Ne, a place that's as unique as it is beautiful. Its stunning sand dunes and pristine beaches are a sight to behold. But what really sets it apart is its vibrant kite surfing scene, making it a magnet for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. And let's not forget the picturesque beaches of Da Nang and the charming ancient town of Hoi An. The beauty of central Vietnam's coastline is truly something to experience. From the scenic riverfront of Hoi An to the sun-kissed shores of Da Nang, it's a fusion of history, culture, and natural beauty that's sure to leave you spellbound. From the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Ha Long Bay to the vibrant coastal city of Nha Trang, these are the beaches that have earned Lonely Planet's seal of approval. So whether you're a beach bum, a history buff, or an adventure junkie, Vietnam's stunning beaches have something for everyone. And these are just some of the gems waiting to be discovered. But Vietnam's coastal allure doesn't end with the well-known spots. For those who love to explore, there are hidden gems waiting to be discovered. In the heart of Vietnam's coastline, beyond the glitz and glamour of popular beachfronts, lies a world uncharted and pristine. These are the lesser-known beaches and coastal towns where tranquility meets authenticity, and every grain of sand has a story to tell. Take Con Dao Islands, for instance. A group of 16 islets, untouched and unspoiled, they offer a serene retreat from the world. Here, you can submerge yourself in the crystal-clear waters or bask in the warmth of the sun on the island's deserted beaches. The island's rich history and biodiversity add to the sense of discovery and make this destination a true hidden gem. Or journey to the remote Qui Non, nestled between the bustling tourist hubs of Nha Trang and Hoi An. Here, the golden beaches stretch as far as the eye can see, untouched by the footprints of mass tourism. Qui Non's charm lies not only in its natural beauty, but also in its rich cultural heritage, with ancient Cham towers dotting the landscape. Then there's the coastal town of Moi Ne, known for its unique red and white sand dunes. But venture beyond these famous dunes, and you'll discover secluded beaches like Han Ram and Suoi Nuoc, where the allure of Vietnam's coastline truly shines through. And let's not forget the tranquil Bai Zep, a small fishing village where time seems to stand still. Here the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of the sea, offering a glimpse into the traditional Vietnamese way of life. From the untouched beauty of Con Dao Islands to the cultural richness of Quai Non, the tranquil Bai Zep to the unique beaches of Mui Ne, these off-the-beaten-track destinations offer an unparalleled sense of adventure and discovery. So whether you're looking for the tranquility of a secluded beach or the thrill of a coastal adventure, Vietnam's off-the-beaten-track destinations have something for everyone. As we've seen, Vietnam's coastline is a treasure trove of stunning beaches, each with its own unique charm. Each destination we visited has its own tale to tell. Each wave that laps against the shore carries with it a story of its own. The beaches of Vietnam are not just geographical features, they're living, breathing entities, teeming with life and pulsating with energy. Lonely Planet has done a remarkable job of highlighting some of the most breathtaking beaches in Vietnam. From the iconic limestone karsts and emerald waters of Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to the golden sands and vibrant nightlife of Nha Trang, there's something for every sunseeker and sand lover. And let's not forget the tropical paradise of Phu Quoc Island, where palm-fringed beaches, turquoise lagoons, and lush rainforests provide a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Meanwhile, Mui Ne's stunning sand dunes and vibrant kite-surfing scene offer a unique landscape that's a feast for the senses. Central Vietnam's coastline is no less impressive, with picturesque beaches in Da Nang and the charming ancient town of Hoi An, known for its rich history, cultural heritage, and scenic riverfront. These destinations are a testament to the diversity and richness of Vietnam's coastal landscapes, offering a wide range of experiences for travelers of all kinds. But perhaps the most exciting part of exploring Vietnam's beaches is venturing off the beaten path to discover lesser-known destinations. These secluded retreats offer an authentic taste of Vietnam's coastal life. Away from the crowds and the commercialization, they give us a glimpse into the heart and soul of Vietnam, a country that is as vibrant and diverse as its stunning coastline. The beauty of Vietnam's beaches lies not just in their physical features, but also in the experiences they offer. Whether it's taking a dip in crystal-clear waters, basking in the sun on pristine white sands, exploring vibrant coastal towns, or immersing yourself in the local culture, there's always something new to discover, something new to experience, and that's the magic of Vietnam's beaches. They're not just places to visit, they're experiences to be savored, memories to be made, stories to be told. They're a testament to the beauty and diversity of Vietnam, a country that's as rich in natural beauty as it is in culture and history. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for the unforgettable experience of exploring Vietnam's stunning beaches. Until next time, safe travels, Afe.